Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start right after spawning. Open the weapon or optics menu and select the sight you plan to use. Make sure your sensitivity feels stable because Auto Zero adjusts aim input dynamically. Once done, switch to the range adjustment option for that sight. You do this now to let the game capture your baseline. You want to lock in a consistent posture, crouch or stand, so Auto Zero measures from a predictable stance. This step prevents redoing calibration mid-combat. You now trigger the Auto Zero function and focus on a target at a known range. This is where precision matters. Hold your aim steady while the system performs its scan, typically 3 to 5 seconds, and let the game collect bullet impact versus aim point data. If the game offers range feedback, use it to verify distance. Once the scan completes, the sight proposes a zero correction. Accept it to update the reticle. Make sure to repeat at another common range. If you switch attachments, you finish by testing. Fire a small group, 3 to 5 rounds, at the calibrated target to confirm the new zero holds. If your impacts still drift, rerun the Auto Zero and inspect attachments. Barrels and muzzle devices change ballistics, plus verify your input sensitivity hasn't shifted. Also make sure network lag isn't skewing results. If you suspect it, repeat the process in a low-ping server or offline range. This one troubleshooting tip often fixes mysterious inconsistencies fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.